They have also shawarma, but what kind of this meat? Hamza, show it to me. What did you get? Oh my God! There's a Hamza, we are in a queue right now. What is this place called?
Vaccination card, please.
Yes, of course I have.
Okay, thank you. This is stated.
Yes.
Madam, just get the temperature, please, and then she will be the one to write.
She will do it, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And we'll come over here. We are here right now, 2021 Christmas Bazaar in Flores and Manuel Market, and this is last, I believe, it for our month. So as you can see that there are all stands, mostly I can see it like food stands. Yeah, done. 36.4. 36.4. Yes, it's okay. Yeah, let's see. Hi guys, how are you?
Doing good.
Yes, what do you call this food?
It's Korean food, sir.
Korean food. So
Yeah.
what kind of this meat?
This is pork, sir.
This is pork. All right. As a Muslim, so we are prohibited. All right, carry on. Thank you.
My sticker.
Hamza.
Maraming sticker dito, tita.
Yes, Hamza. What happened? She's like that? She's looking for something?
I'm stuck here now.
Okay, just wait. What do you want? What do you want to
Later
say?
we will come back. Okay? Later 2 minutes.
So they have all kinds of fairs. Kids. So they have Santiano Boba milk, small 49, medium 80, and large 100. Add-on pearl 20, rock salt and cheese 25, cream 10. Hello Bob, ¿cómo está? This is hot tea or cold tea? What do you call? All right, never mind. So they are probably, I think, shy or don't have answer. So check. Hello, po, kamusta? What kind of this feed?
Sisig, pork yan, pork.
This pork. All right.
Ay, wala na special na lang meron.
So this is the kids section. Yes, Hamza, what are you looking?
60 po lang po sa laki. 60 po.
Hamza, what? You like something over here? It's flashing lights inside. Look at me here. Show it to me in the camera. Hamza, look at me here. Here, look at Baba. Yes, good. And this gentleman is looking. Did you find something, or maybe you need this gun or something? No? Okay. So Hamza, she is happy right now. They have also shawarma, but what kind of this meat?
Yes, oo.
Yes, my friend, what kind of this meat?
Beef, sir.
Ah, beef. That's good. And you are using what kind of bread for this? This is typical shawarma, like Arabic. All right.
Ilan po?
The meat. This is beef or chicken? Ah, pork. Okay. Something. Oh my God! She want this one. No, she want this one. She want this one. Anna, she like that one.
One for this one.
That's good. Thank you, Hamza. Yeah, where now? Next. Foods, and on the right hand side there are some garments and some kids toy shops. Now we are going to the left. This is the municipality park or something. Yeah, this is on the right hand side, which you can see it deep in the, that is San Manuel municipality. Hamza, you like these fountains? How do you get in? Where is the entry? Is there or exit only this? Where is the entry? Entry. So you don't want to go inside? Yes. Yalla. So here you are going to get in. Hello, po. Hamza, come in. What is this statue? Hamza, you stand here. I will take your photo. Who is this gentleman? Charles River. Hamza, yalla, explore. Where are you, Hamza? What do you call? First, Santahan stop. Hamza, you want photo here? Oh my God, what's on the right hand side? All right, but there is the playground for the children.
Wala oh.
When I have your photo here, you will sit down there or in this. Just sit here. Yes. Sit down. These people. Staff. Look at me here. Yalla. So actually right now I'm over here in the municipality hall in San Manuel, and this is the end of last week of November actually, and this is how oftenly the people over here locally. It's a small town actually, so this is a small town, and then like a bazaar, Christmas bazaar is starting before Christmas, like a month ago before, and it will last and will be over after Christmas. So it's just good to know. So you have the camel sign also here? The camel, why is the camel is there? At that time only just is they giving the life history behind that one, right? As per you Christians people, what's your belief? And why so many fruits?
That's the theme for this year.
Okay. Do you like? Yeah, let's go. Let's go there. Hamza, go. Just stand next to him. Hamza, look. Thank you, sir. Okay, yeah. Don't like it. That's it? Okay. Finally we had finished, and it was a good experience over here locally, and the people are get together over here and they're having fun. Mostly the stands over here is for the food, and but the food unfortunately you know that is not halal at all for us, because mostly it's like pork and non-halal foods. So overall I'm happy that I were having the opportunity that I had catch and I had visited this kind of small town. So wish you all the best, stay blessed and healthy. And before I will finish my conversation, so I hope you will like and will subscribe my channel, because since I'm over here I'm going to provide, yes I will just that because this guy is here, he wanted to tell me to put the mask. I said him, yes, I'm having my vlog, so my apologies. So anyway, wish you all the best, stay blessed and healthy. Salam.